Hey everyone, welcome back to LearnWeb Academy. In today's video, we are going to explore the Elementor dashboard and the Elementor Editor interface. If you are new to Elementor, this video will help you understand where everything in Elementor is and how to use it confidently. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to navigate the Elementor workspace, what each panel does, and how to use the essential tools inside the editor. Let's begin. To open the Elementor editor, go to Pages or Post and click on Add Page. Let's name this as Elementor and then publish it. Now we'll click on Edit with Elementor. When Elementor loads, you will see two main areas. The left sidebar panel where you control widgets, settings and styling. And on the right you will see the preview, your actual page design canvas. Let's break everything down. Left sidebar panel explained. Widget panel. This is where you will find all the widgets like heading, image, text editor, video, button, divider, spacer, Google Maps and many more. You can drag and drop any widget onto your page. Search bar. Instead of scrolling, you can quickly search for any widget, maybe heading, and then we can just drag and drop it here. And we have our heading here. Elementor free widgets versus pro widgets. Free widgets have no badge, while pro widgets show under this pro label. Navigator button. This navigator button is a powerful tool that shows your entire page structure, sections, columns and widgets. You can rename items, drag them, and quickly jump into any element. History panel. History has two tabs, Actions and Revisions. With Actions, you can redo or undo changes. With Revisions, you can restore earlier saved versions of the page. Perfect for correcting mistakes. Responsive mode. This button lets you switch between desktop, tablet and mobile use. Every Elementor designer uses this to make responsive designs. Preview changes button. Click this to see how your page looks on the actual website. Publish button. Anytime you make changes, remember to click update or publish. The live canvas area. This large area on the right is your design workspace. Here you can drag and drop widgets and create your page layout. Elementor canvas elements, sections, outer containers, columns, inner structure, widgets, actual content. We will cover these in more details in the next videos, but for now, think of sections as rows, columns as blocks inside those rows, and widgets as the actual content elements. Section, column and widget controls. Whenever you click something inside Elementor, you will see three tabs on the left. Layout tab, Style tab, Advanced tab. Layout tab controls structure, width, height, alignment and spacing. Style tab controls design, background overlay, border, shape divider, typography, Advanced tab controls deeper settings, margin and paddings, motion effects. Transform tab, responsive tab, attributes and custom CSS. Note that custom CSS is only available on the Pro version of Elementor. Since we have that's why we are seeing option for this. Otherwise that is not possible to see this. These three tabs appear no matter whether you click a section, column or widget. This makes Elementor very easy to learn. Site settings. Site settings lets you define your global design system, including global colors, global fonts, typography, buttons, images, form fields, site identity, background, layout, and many more. These settings apply across the entire site and make your design consistent. Let's recap the Elementor Editor. Left panel, widgets, style controls, advanced settings. Right panel, your design canvas. Bottom toolbar, navigation history, responsive mode. Top menu, global settings and theme builder. Now you know exactly where everything is inside Elementor. And that's your complete walkthrough of your Elementor dashboard and editor interface. In the next video, we will go deeper into how sections, columns and inner sections work, which is the foundation of designing in Elementor. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe to LearnWeb Academy and turn on notifications.